how to translate messages on Telegram. So if you want to translate messages on your Telegram, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Telegram application. Make sure that you've logged into your account. After launching your Telegram, now if you want to translate a message on your Telegram, then just simply go with the chat. Once you're on your chat, you need to tap and hold on to that chat, and then you will find an option of translate. But if you don't find the option of translate, then what you need to do is just simply go back and then go with settings, which will be in the bottom. Once you're in your settings, you need to scroll down a bit, and then you will find an option of language. Tap on language, and then as you can see that you will find an option of show translate button. So go and turn this option on, and then go back, go with the chat, whichever chat that you're comfortable with. Then tap and hold on to that message, and then you will find an option of translate. Tap on translate, and as you can see that it will automatically translate your message on your Telegram. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.